In today's Kenya, the internet has opened doors for thousands of people to earn money without leaving their homes. With just a smartphone, a laptop, and a reliable internet connection, many young people and adults are building steady incomes online. What makes this even more exciting is the ability to receive payments quickly through M-Pesa, which is widely used across the country. This means you can work in the morning and have money in your phone by evening. For many Kenyans facing unemployment or looking for extra income, online jobs have become a real and practical solution. One of the most common online jobs in Kenya is freelance writing. This job involves creating articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and other written content for clients from different parts of the world. If you can write clear and simple English, you can start earning. Many beginners begin by writing short articles and slowly improve their skills over time. Payments vary depending on experience, but a beginner can earn between 500 Kenya shillings and 2,000 Kenya shillings per article. With consistency, some writers make over 5,000 Kenya shillings per day. The good thing about freelance writing is that you can work at your own pace and choose topics you enjoy. Another growing opportunity is transcription work. This job involves listening to audio recordings and typing what you hear. It may sound simple, but it requires concentration and good listening skills. Many companies need transcription services for interviews, meetings, and videos. In Kenya, many young people are earning daily income from transcription platforms. A single task can pay between 300 Kenya shillings and 1,500 Kenya shillings, depending on the length and difficulty. Over time, as your speed and accuracy improve, you can complete more tasks and increase your daily earnings. Social media management has also become a popular way to earn money online. Many small businesses in Kenya do not have time to manage their Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok pages. They are willing to pay someone to create posts, reply to messages, and grow their audience. If you enjoy using social media, this job can be both fun and profitable. Some clients pay daily for small tasks, while others offer monthly payments ranging from 5,000 Kenya shillings to 30,000 Kenya shillings. With more experience, you can handle multiple clients and increase your income. Online surveys and microtasks are another simple way to start earning. These tasks do not require special skills, making them perfect for beginners. You may be asked to answer questions about products, watch short videos, or test simple applications. The pay is usually small, often between 50 Kenya shillings and 500 Kenya shillings per task. While this may not seem like much, completing several tasks in a day can add up to a decent amount. Many people use this as a starting point before moving to higher-paying opportunities. Selling products online is another powerful way to make money daily. You do not need to own a shop or even keep stock. Many people in Kenya are using Facebook Marketplace, WhatsApp, and other platforms to sell items such as clothes, electronics, and beauty products. Some use dropshipping, where a supplier handles the storage and delivery while you focus on marketing. Payments are often made through M-Pesa, allowing you to receive money instantly. Profit depends on your pricing and marketing skills, but it is possible to make several thousand Kenya shillings in a single day if you have strong demand. YouTube content creation is also gaining popularity in Kenya. Many young creators are building channels around topics such as business ideas, technology, farming, and lifestyle. At first, you may not earn much, but once your channel grows and becomes monetized, you can start earning daily through advertisements, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Some successful Kenyan YouTubers earn tens of thousands of Kenya shillings each month. The key to success on YouTube is consistency, creativity, and understanding what your audience wants to watch. Data entry jobs are another option for those with basic computer skills. These jobs involve entering information into spreadsheets, organizing data, or updating records. While some people think data entry is outdated, many companies still need this service. In Kenya, you can find data entry jobs on freelance platforms or through referrals. Daily earnings can range from 500 Kenya shillings to 2,000 Kenya shillings depending on the workload. It is important to be careful when looking for these jobs, as some scams ask for upfront fees. Legitimate employers will not ask you to pay before starting work. Online tutoring is a great opportunity if you have knowledge in a specific subject. You can teach English, mathematics, science, or even business skills to students from different parts of the world. Many platforms connect tutors with learners, and sessions are usually conducted through video calls. A single lesson can pay between 500 Kenya shillings and 2,500 Kenya shillings. Some tutors teach multiple sessions in a day, making it possible to earn a steady daily income. This job is especially suitable for teachers, university students, and professionals who enjoy sharing knowledge. Website testing is another simple and interesting way to earn money online. Companies want to know how users interact with their websites, so they pay people to test them and provide feedback. You may be asked to visit a website, complete certain tasks, and share your experience. Each test can take about 20 minutes and pay between 1,000 Kenya shillings and 3,000 Kenya shillings. This job does not require technical skills, making it accessible to many people. It is also flexible, allowing you to work whenever you have free time. Affiliate marketing is a powerful long-term strategy for earning online. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your link. Many Kenyans are using blogs, YouTube channels, and social media pages to share affiliate links. When someone buys through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Earnings can start small but grow over time as your audience increases. Some affiliate marketers earn thousands of Kenya shillings daily once they build trust with their followers. While these online jobs offer great opportunities, success does not come overnight. It requires patience, consistency, and a willingness to learn. Many people give up too early because they expect quick results. However, those who stay committed often see significant growth over time. It is also important to avoid scams. If a job asks for payment before you start, it is likely not legitimate. Always do your research and choose trusted platforms. Improving your skills is another key factor in increasing your income. For example, a freelance writer who learns search engine optimization can charge higher rates. A social media manager who understands advertising can attract more clients. There are many free and paid online courses that can help you grow your skills and become more competitive in the market. Another important tip is to manage your earnings wisely. Since payments can come daily, it is easy to spend money without planning. Setting financial goals and saving a portion of your income can help you build a stable future. Many successful online workers in Kenya use their earnings to start businesses, invest, or support their families. The beauty of online jobs is the flexibility they offer. You can work from home, a cyber cafe, or even while traveling. You can choose your working hours and balance your job with other responsibilities. For students, this means earning money while studying. For parents, it means working while taking care of their families. As technology continues to grow, more opportunities will become available. The demand for digital skills is increasing, and those who take advantage of these opportunities early will benefit the most. Whether you start with freelance writing, online surveys, or selling products, the important thing is to begin. With time, effort, and determination, you can turn a simple online job into a reliable source of income. In conclusion, making money online in Kenya is not just a dream. It is a reality for many people who are willing to learn and take action. With M-Pesa making payments fast and convenient, there has never been a better time to start. Choose one or two methods, focus on improving your skills, and stay consistent. Your journey may start small, but with persistence, it can grow into something life-changing.